Hi guys, one of my short videos once again, how to easy fix the cam actuators of Mercedes 203. They always leaking, always fucking leaking. German invention. I don't know what is this one here piece of rubber for. I don't know. I would just close it and just make it one. But anyway, what is happening that these seals, they're getting just old, so the oil is leaking through and you have everywhere oil running over the front of the engine. So the quick fix what I'm going to do practically, I have stripped this piece. Okay, there we go. So that was like that. Okay, and they have rivets. Okay, so I drilled the rivets through, I opened that. I'm going to remove this fucking useless things here, sorry for my language, but you know, it's just when the engineers they dumb. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put full of the silicone, good one actually. That was the best silicone you can use. That's absolutely the best. I have never seen anything better than this. And practically I'm going to check this one in here like that perfectly, and I'm going to seal it permanently. There's no way the oil will be coming up, no way. So just do it if you have problem with these ones. They're expensive from Mercedes, second hand, still leaking. No point to get them as long as this is just the magnet. As long as they work, the magnet is good, the continuity is there, they will be working, they will do the job. The oil is the problem that is coming out, and even sometimes it's going through this connector here, but that's a different story. You can buy the kind of fix on eBay for $20-30 and put additional cables. But anyway, I bet you that it will be working. Okay, bye. Then one more advice, just make sure that this hole inside is clean, because in that hole this actuator goes. See, when the magnet will be pulling, it actually actuates the variators. Okay, so that needs a room in there, not much, but actually make it clean. See, I cleaned it up, and see, now I stick two pieces together. I'm not going even to put back the rivets because it's pointless. So because the bolts, the little bolts that they're holding to the block, they will just squeeze enough this plate here, so there's no really need for anything else. Okay, that's it.